parents on the stage to please give us a message for the couple. Of course, together with Tita Elizabeth Santos.
Anyway, first of all, I would like to thank everyone for making this possible, or making this event possible. Salamat. In behalf of my brother, George, na nasa kabila. Medyo malapit lang. Maraming salamat. My wish or advice. Anyway, tatlo or apat siguro makes it. First, siyempre, kailangan put God in the center of your life. Napaka-importante kasi you will never go wrong pag nandyan ang Panginoon. Okay? Next, siyempre, yung love. Yan dapat hindi mawala. Pangatlo is the respect. Kahit anong mangyari, mayroong bagyo, may anything, basta meron kayong respeto sa bawat isa, understanding will follow. So, napaka-importante na. Yun yung sekreto daw. For 33 years, ginagawa ko yun. Yun yung your relationship will last longer. Okay? God bless you.
There you have it. Palakpakan naman po natin once again the tito of the groom, Mr. Ronnie Santos. Now this time was Ma'am Elizabeth.
In behalf of my sister, thank you daw.
Jazz, congrats. Congrats to both of you. Hindi ako sanay. Pero sana love each other and always put God to the center.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It is really good to start this, of course, the messages from the parents as a representative from the parents of the groom and the bride, from the tita, the persons who have been there for Joshua. Now, once again, Ma'am Elizabeth, please join us here. As, of course, the groom will start with the mother, what we call mother and groom dance. This is now as one of the representatives for being the parent.